Hello everybody, how are you doing? Today we'll learn about the last international measures, actually the letter of credit. What it is, how can we use this, who can use it for what? There are lots of questions waiting for us to get an answer. Okay, so let's go to get the right answer among them. Let's go! Letter of credit. Actually, it is the payment term used for international sales transaction. Well, generally speaking, it is the basic mechanism which allows the importer is knowing the buyer in order to provide the security options of payment to the exporter is known as the seller, in which a bank gets involved. It is typically is most frequently used. Letter of credit is the documentary credit. Here the most important fact is that letter of credit deal happens in documents, not goods, which means that the risks shifts from the actual buyer to the bank. Right now, the bank is responsible to bear the risks. Well, so it is therefore letter of credit refers to payment undertaken given by bank to seller. Well, and then issuing on behalf of the buyer, applicant. Here then, knowing that the buyer is the applicant and the seller is the beneficiary. Here are the two banks. One is that the bank issuing the letter of credit is that the issuing bank, which is generally located in the country of the buyer. That another bank, actually the advice letter of credit to the seller, is that they call it advising bank, which is generally located in the country of the seller. Well, a letter of credit actually is known as the payment, right? Payment term, which happens according to the request which comes from the one of its customers in order to pay the beneficiary. Well,